Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we have a delicious and simple recipe for you, a savory green bean and red sauce. It is healthy and also keto-friendly. So let's get started. First, in a pot over medium heat, add some olive oil. Wait until it's hot, then add your diced onion. Sauté the onion until it's translucent. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Next, we add our tomato sauce and vegetable broth. Season it with some Himalayan salt and freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, it's time to add our green beans and red bell peppers. Give everything a good stir, then cover the pot and let it cook for 25 minutes. Our green beans and red bell pepper dish is ready to be served. Look at those vibrant colors and the rich savory broth. This dish is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. Try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and ring the bell for future recipes. Happy cooking!